Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to create travel blog in WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create the travel blog in the WordPress, first of all what we need to do, we have to go inside wordpress.com, okay? So as you can see here that we are inside the wordpress.com. So after that what we need to do, we have to create the account, but if you already have created the account, you simply go inside the login. And from here, you can simply log in with your account. Okay, so I have connected my Gmail account here. So I will be using that. Okay, so let me just connect my Gmail account here. Okay, so after logging into your Gmail account in the WordPress, you will have this kind of dashboard if you have already created the website. But right now, I will be creating the new website here for our travel blog. So for that, I will simply click on the switch sites here. And here, I will simply click on the add new site. And here, so let's just write down the name of our domain. Okay, so I want to go here with this domain, so I'll be using the free domain here. So let's select this. Now let's click on the continue. Okay, so I want to start here with the free package here, so let's click on the start with free. Okay, so from here you can simply set up your goals, but right now I'll simply skip to the dashboard. So let's click here. Okay, so now we have the dashboard of our blog here. Okay, so now what I need to do to make our blog a travel blog, I would have to choose the theme here. Okay, so let's just go inside the appearance, and in the appearance, let's just click on the themes. So in the themes, I would actually look for the theme that can resemble with the traveling blog theme. Okay, so for that, I will simply click on the travel and lifestyle. Okay, so from here, I would simply like to go here with this theme here. Okay, so let's scroll down and choose this theme. So now let's click on the activate this design. Now let's just click on the customize this design. Okay, so from here, as you can see that we have the site title, and after that we have this image, we have the blog here. Okay, so we can simply edit the site title here. Okay, so let's click here and change the site title from there. Okay, so let's click here, and from here I will simply write down adventure of traveling. Okay, so here I can simply change the cover image here if I want to. So let's click here, and from here I can simply change the cover image, but I will actually like to use this one, the default cover image here. And we can also add the logo here if you want to. So for that, let's just go inside the site identity, and from here you can select the logo from here. Okay, so let's go back. After that, we have colors and backgrounds. So if you want to change the text color and the background color of your blog, you can simply do it from here. So let's go back. After that, we have the fonts. So from here, if you want to change the font of the heading and the text, you can simply do it from here. And we have the header image. Okay. After that, we have the menus. So right now, we don't have any menu. So if you want to create the menu, you can simply create it from here. And you can simply write down the name of the menu here, and you can also choose the menu location here. Okay, so let's select the header at the moment, and it would be new menu. Click on the next. Now you can simply add the item here. Okay, so I would actually like to add the blog page here, and I would also like to add the home and about. Okay, so that's it. So let's go back now. Now you can see this, we have our menu here, and we have the blog, home, and about. Okay, so now let's go back, and we have the content options. So here you can simply change the value of the blog display from the full width to the post excerpt, and we also have the other options that you can explore by yourself. Okay, after that we have the widget and the home page settings. So let's go inside the home page settings. Now you can see here on the home page of our traveling blog, we have our traveling article here. So if you don't want to show the article on the home page, if you want to show a kind of landing page, or if you want to design a kind of landing page on the home, you can simply select the static page from here. And after that, you can simply select the home page from here. So for example, I just want to select my home page as the about page, and I want to select my blog page as the post page. Okay, so let's select the blog page here. So now the blog page will be my post pages and the about page will be my home page. Okay. But if you want to do in this way, you would have to create a proper landing page for your website. Okay. But just for the sake of example, I've used the about us page here. Okay. So you can simply design a proper landing page for your home page. Okay, so let's just go back, and after that you can see this, we have the other options here. So right now let's click on the theme options, and in the theme options we only have this single option. Okay, so this is how we can create the blog page here. You can see the post here. Okay, so this is how we can create a traveling blog here. So let's just create the new post for our traveling blog. Okay, so let's click on the save changes, and now let's just go back to the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so as you can see here that we are inside the WordPress dashboard. So let's click on my home. So now let's just click on the visit site. And now what I need to do, I want to create a new post here. So let's click on the add a new post. And if I just go inside my traveling blog here, you can see that we have the title, we have the cover image. And after that, this is our home page at the moment. And if you want to see your blogs, you can simply go inside the blog page, and in the blog page you will be able to see your blogs from here. Okay, so let's go back and try to create a blog post here for our traveling blog. So let's write down my first traveling article. All right, so here you can simply put down the data or the text, whatever you want to put inside your first traveling article. Okay, so let's just write down working. So we have simply created an article here. So now let's just click on the publish. And now you will be able to see our new post here. Okay, so let's click on the view post. Now you will be redirected to our second article here. Okay, you can see this is our second article. And if I just go inside the blog here, you will be able to see our both articles here. Okay, hello world. And the second one is my first traveling article. Alright, so this is how you can create the traveling blog in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.